What's going on, everybody? It's been a while. I gotta start making more YouTube videos on my car. Well, I guess we can start by saying that I got a new garage. Yeah, new garage can fit probably about 3 cars sideways on dollies. Maxima got into a little accident this winter, but you know, things are gonna be changing. Hopefully new headlights, because there's a problem. There's a hole up in here, it gets moisture on the inside now. But new bumper, new headlights. Got this friggin' derp little thing, says I'm slow. But anyways, today's goal is last summer I got stainless steel tips, you know, with the exhaust system or whatever, and then this winter where I live at, the snow fell off the roof and destroyed this exhaust tip with the teeth and stuff. It's supposed to be like this one with rock hard, but anyways, the person who did the exhaust system did a really terrible job with all this, and like when it's clean and stuff, it looks terrible as silver. So we got some new tips. Friggin' nice black tips, and then we got some black spray paint and you know, some gloss to finish up. But yeah, gonna clean down the exhaust, take the exhaust off, or the exhaust tips, and yep, here we go. See how it's like silver right there, and then it's black right here? Yeah. But yeah, I'm excited to do the new tips. Tip 1. See how clean it is right there, and then how dirty it is? Oof. Oof. On to the next one. Alright, going from these stainless steels to these blacks. Now these ones were like completely open with 2.5, and these ones are enclosed with like a muffler, or not a muffler, but like it muffles on the inside. So we'll see how it sounds. Hopefully it doesn't like drain the sound that bad, but alright. Now we need to start cleaning the mufflers. Alright, yeah, so I cleaned them up a little bit. Obviously not the best, especially because we don't even have water in the garage yet, like running water or running electricity or anything. But anyways, basically the reason why I'm doing this is just to cover up like this crap. And I don't know, like if it's gonna be black, then all of it should be black, not just a little bit, you know? So that's basically why I'm using just some cheap spray paint. And then I'm gonna put a clear coat on top of it. But yeah. Alright, so first layer, just like base coat pretty much, is on both of them. Yeah, I'm not a good fucking spray painter, but I'm just doing it just to like, I don't know, it's silver on black, and then I also, like originally I didn't even like it just being silver because of the way that the welding was done on it. Like you see, obviously there's 2 different styles. Like on this style you have, you know, all of that, and then on this side it's just a metal bar that held it in, like, so. But yeah, just did the first set. And these are the tips. The tips are about the same size. This one, like, there's a little bit of a curve to it. This one's just straight on, so that's cool. So there's not gonna be like any angling issues or anything. But yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like. So I just did the second coat, and I think that's just gonna be it. I'm gonna throw the clear coat on after. But yep, I think that's gonna be it. I cleaned up the stainless steel tips a little bit. Obviously wear and tear for a year, but yeah, new ones that we're gonna put on. I'm excited. They're huge. So, and this is the final product.